Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are doing well. And in this video, we are going to talk about iOS 16 beta. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can get beta updates on your iPhone. So let me show you the software version right now. So as you guys can see, I'm currently on 16.0.3. So let's get beta updates on this iPhone. So let's go to Safari. So type beta.apple.com. Let's go there. So you have to sign up if this is your first time, and I'm going to sign in because I have already tried it. Okay, so then you have to continue with your Apple ID, and it's taking my Face ID. So yeah, and we are in. So it's going to take some time to process your Apple ID. Okay, so here we are, guide to public betas, and you are successfully registered for beta updates. So now it's iOS 16 and you have to just scroll down to see all of the details and everything. Now tap here, enroll your iOS device. So this is the process. You have to archive a backup first, then install the profile, and then update your iOS device, and you will get beta updates. So a backup is very much important before installing this iOS beta update. Then just go here and download profile. And you have to press allow here, and it's done. So close it. Let's go to settings. And in the general, you have to go here, VPN and device management. See, a profile is already downloaded. So you have to tap here and you can install it. Here are every details, and if you want, here are more details. So let's install it. Give it your passcode. Here is every details about this thing and your consent. So install it, install. Now after pressing the install, your device will ask for a restart. So let's give it permission to restart it right now. And if you want to test out all the new beta updates, beta features, you can install this. This is provided to you by Apple itself. And as you guys can see, we have started to get beta updates. Here is our iOS 16.1 beta update, and you can learn more from here. All the new features, what are the new features in this, which bug fixes are included in this device, and everything. So now if you want to try it, just go and install it from the beta.apple.com, and it's provided you by Apple itself, so it's really secure and you don't have to worry about anything. But there is only one thing to care about: archive a backup. Before doing this process, just backup. Just get yourself a backup, so you will be safe if anything goes wrong or if you encounter a major bug. So I hope this video will be helpful for you guys, and if you have any question about this process, let me know in the comment section down below. And if you want to learn more about your iOS device, subscribe and stay tuned. See you guys in the next one. Till then, ta-ra.